When Father San Vittore's team arrived in Mexico, the Jesuit missionaries went straight to Audiencia, but when they petitioned the Audiencia for funds, they were met with cold refusal. Father San Vitores turned to the Viceroy of New Spain as Father San Vitores made his case. An earthquake shook Mexico City. The Viceroy took it as a divine sign, a message from God Himself. News of this miraculous intervention reached Queen Maria Ana of Spain. Moved by the tale and the mission's purpose, she too sent additional funds. In honor of her generosity and faith, Father San Vitores would rename the islands of Guam and its neighbors the Marianas. After securing funds for their mission, San Vitores and his team remained in Mexico for nearly 3 months before setting sail for the Marianas. According to the Jesuit chronicles, Felipe Sonsong was a man of quite strength. Whether on land or at sea, Felipe was ever present at Mass, hidden away in the most secluded corners. On June 3, 1668, after 89 days at sea, Father San Vitores and his crew finally reached the Marianas, a chain of 15 volcanic islands including Guam, Rota, Saipan, and Tinian. The islands were home to 30,000 Chamorros and 40,000 residing in Guam and 1,500 in Agana, the most prominent village. In Agana, the village chief Kipuha welcomed the Jesuit missionaries with open arms. Felipe Sonsong, already 57 years old, threw himself at the feet of Father San Vitores and pledged to do anything for him.